The UK economy has returned to growth in January, according to a Flash Purchasing Managers Index (PMI) reading, hitting a 16-month high as the Bank of England weighs up whether or not to cut UK interest rates. The Flash IHS Markit (SIPS) composite PMI reading for the UK hit 52.4 in January, up from 49.3 in December. Any figure under 50 indicates a contraction, while any over 50 represents growth. Read more. UK borrowing falls ahead of spring budget. The composite reading exceeded expectations, having been expected to climb to 50.5 following December's reading of 49.3. The survey data indicate an encouraging start to 2020 for the UK economy, said IHS Markit chief economist Chers Williamson. Output grew at the fastest rate for 16 months amid rising demand for both manufacturing and services, suggesting businesses rebounding after declines seen late last year. The services sector showed particularly strong growth, increasing from 51.1 to 52.9, also a 16-month high, while manufacturing rose to a 9-month high of 49.8. UK flash #PMI up to 16-month high in January, signaling post-election rebound. #GDP signal is now plus 0.2% QQ after a stagnant fourth quarter. #GBP #BOE pic.twitter.com/V166H75Y9Y, Chris Williamson, at Williamson Chris, January 24, 2020. Williamson said the figures point towards GDP growth of approximately 0.2% in January, representing a welcome revival of growth after the malaise seen in the closing months of 2019. Strong readings leave interest rate cut less likely, he added. It seems likely that the rise in the PMI kills off the prospect of an imminent rate cut by the Bank of England, with policymakers taking a wait-and-see approach as they assess the performance of the economy in the post-Brexit environment. Pantheon Macroeconomics chief economist Samuel Toombs agreed with Williamson's assessment. The big jump in the composite PMI makes it likely, though not absolutely certain, that the BOE's Monetary Policy Committee will pause for thought next week, he said. Sterling held steady against the dollar following the readings, and gained around 1.7% against the euro. Read more. Eurozone economy endures slow start to 2020. IHS Markit said the readings highlighted a decisive change of direction for the private sector economy at the start of 2020. Business activity expanded for the first time in 5 months, driven by the sharpest increase in new work since September 2018. For more on this story, visit the news article link.